Hello and welcome to my channel Tableau Live. Today let's study very easy but very important feature of Tableau, that is grouping. It is self-explanatory that it groups things or data elements into single unit. But why do we need grouping? So let's see why. We create groups to combine related data members in a field. For example, if we are working with the expenditure related data of a manufacturing company, then while visualizing expenditure of different departments like IT, production and accounts separately, you also might want to combine and analyze total expenditure of all the departments together. Also, groups are very useful for reducing data inconsistency or data errors. For example, if a company have a list of vendors in their database, then it is possible to have multiple occurrences of same vendor in the same database. For example, in this table, IBM, IBM Inc., and International Business Machines Corporation are the names of same company. So instead of going all the way back to the original database and correcting it, we can just group it and name it as IBM Group while working on our visualization. Also, groups can be very useful to answer what if type questions. For example, what if we combine and analyze sales of West and East region together? There are multiple ways to create groups. Let's see how to create groups with different examples. I have already imported database store data into Tableau. In our first example, we will see how to create group using data pane. For that, I have already taken category and subcategory into rows and sales into columns. In subcategory of office supplies, you can see art, envelopes, fastener and labels are the items which have pretty much low sales values compared to other items. So we can group these four into single unit. For that, we can go to this field, subcategory field, and click on this, select create and select option group. In the create group dialog box, you can select as many group items you want to select. I will click on art and control and select envelope and click on group. Our group is ready. You can also change the name of the group. I will say it as low sales items. Now I have missed fasteners and labels. So you can also just drag and drop group item into group, or you can just click on labels and you can see add to over here. Group name is listed over here. Earlier it was not there, but as group is created you can see it. Just click on label and say add to low sales item and OK. Now you don't see any group over here. For that we have to remove this subcategory and take new field that Tableau has created, subcategory group. Just remove this subcategory and take subcategory group. Now you can see low sales item group is shown over here. And you can study the combined sales of these items altogether. You can also delete this group. Just go to field, subcategory group, click over here and say delete. Yes, and the group is deleted. Now you again have to just take previous field subcategory and place it over here. In the next example, we will see how to create group used directly in the view. We have Central, East, South and West regions against profit margin. I want to group East and West. For that, I will click first East region and press Ctrl and click on West region. And for creating group, you have many options. You can see group icon like this, or you can find group icon in toolbar and click on this, or you can just right click on the group members and you can click on group. Your East and West group is ready. To change its name, you can right click and click on edit alias over here, or you can go on card and same, click on right click on this and select edit alias, or you can go to data pane, find that group, region group, and click on this, say edit group, and you can change the group name in this dialog box also. Tableau provides one more option to include other members into separate group. Just click on include other and all the remaining members will go to this group other. Say OK, and you can see we have two groups, east and west, and we can compare these two regions with remaining all the other regions. In our next example, we will see how groups can be very useful in real business scenarios. We have sales and profit scatter plot for all the cities in our database. At the extreme top right corner, you can see cities which have very high profits and sales. These are the cities which have high profit. At the extreme bottom, you can see all the cities which have very less profit. These profits are in minus. And all the remaining cities have very average profit. So instead of looking at these cities one by one, what we can do, we can group these cities into three categories as high profit, low profit, and average profit. So it can be more readable. So how to group them? Let's start. Select these cities, right click and click on group. Now change the name of this group. Just right click, say edit alias, and I will name it as high profit. Okay. Now I will select these low profit cities group and name it as low profit. And I want to include all these remaining cities into average profit. Average profit. Okay. Now you can see I have missed some of the cities. So for that, what we can do, you can go into this city group, click on this, say edit group, and if you can see under this other, all the cities are over here. Let's see which city we have missed. Detroit, edit group. I only want this into high profits and I want all these remaining into average profit. Now you can see we have only three groups: average profit, low profit and high profits. Okay. And for the sake of our convenience, let's color it. High profit I will give green, low profit red and average profit blue. Now you can easily identify these are the cities which have made high profits, these are the cities which have made very low profits, and these are the cities which have very average profit. Let's see an example how to create custom territories with the help of grouping. In this example, we have plotted states-wise profit and we have distributed them with the help of region. Now the problem is we want to show only region-wise profit. For example, I want to show what is the profit of total West region, what is the profit of complete South region, what is the profit of complete East region and Central region likewise. So let's see, we can solve this problem using groups and create custom territories. So let's see how. We will mark these all the region into groups. So select West region and group it into state and name it as West region. Now Central, select all the states and mark it to and group it into and rename to Central. Same with the other two regions. Select all the south states and mark it to and group it and mark it into South region. Okay, and last East. I hope I have selected all the regions. This one is remaining. Group and mark it to East region. Okay. Now you see I have missed some because they are so minute states over there. So for now I will just exclude that, or if you don't want to exclude you can just go to the group, edit group and see what are the states are remaining. Either you can distribute them into other regions or you can exclude them. So I guess these two are only from Central region, so I will shift it to Central region. Florida and these are two from East region only, so I will shift it to East region. Now our four groups are ready. Say OK. Now let's see how it works. Now we wanted only region wise profit, so we can remove this state. Also we can remove this region and we can label this our new group into label and see our region wise profit is ready. West region, Central region, South region and East region. We can see separate profits of separate regions. That's all for today guys. Hope you like the video, and if you do then please like, share and subscribe. Please write your comments below, and for more information on Tableau visit my blog Bridget. The link is given in the description box. Thank you.